There are 6 parts here. 4 of them look completely normal, but 2 of them, they have this top piece shifted a little bit to the side. This is a Superbox 2 puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. If you like the Superbox 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and click the subscribe button to access more videos from Puzzle Master. So, how to solve this puzzle? There are 6 parts here. 4 of them look completely normal, like a regular normal Soma pieces. But the rest of the parts, the 2 of them, they have this top piece shifted a little bit to the side, which makes it very difficult to put them inside the frame. As you can see, you can put one piece like that, and then if you try to put another one, it will be sticking out from the frame. So it's not the correct solution, and you have to try to rearrange the parts, but every time you will end up with one piece that doesn't really fit properly inside the box. So how to solve the puzzle? First of all, you have to rearrange the parts like that, so that this piece goes here, this piece will be here, but before I will put it, I have to put these 2 parts together, and I have to find a proper way to do that. It will be like that. You put them this way, then you put them inside the box right in the middle. And you can see where the trick hidden in this puzzle, and then you will be able to put the rest of the parts, and the puzzle is solved. If you like the Superbox 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.